The future isn't coming, it's already counting down. These predictions could change the world forever.
Everything you're about to see is based on real technology already being developed today, and by 2050, the world may never be the same. By 2050, your favorite steak may never come from a farm. It could be grown inside a laboratory.
Scientists grow real animal cells into meat without raising or slaughtering an animal. The taste, texture, and nutrition could be almost identical to traditional meat, while using fewer natural resources.
An animal that disappeared thousands of years ago could soon walk the earth again. Scientists are editing ancient DNA using modern gene editing technology. The goal is to give elephants the traits of the extinct woolly mammoth. If successful, the first mammoth-like animals could appear within the coming decades. By 2050, airplanes may no longer be the fastest way to travel. Hyperspeed trains could take their place. These vacuum-powered trains could travel faster than 1,000 kilometers per hour with almost no air resistance.
A trip that once took hours by plane could be completed in minutes. Imagine if Earth had its own digital clone, a virtual world that predicts the future before it happens.
Powered by AI and satellites, it constantly simulates Earth's weather, oceans, climate, and even natural disasters.
Instead of reacting to disasters, humanity could predict them days before they happen.
The future may not just be predicted, it could be simulated before it even happens.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.